Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous look. I mean, it's a messy look. I just wanted to try something different. I haven't actually tried this before, but I'm happy it came out well. So for this tutorial, I used my stocking cap. Well, this is optional. You can and you cannot before placing my crochet wig cap on my head, so it all depends on you, but I prefer the stocking cap in because it helps to keep the net in. I mean, you see the kind of net I use. The net I use is really light, so it can easily slip off. We can easily slip off your hair. I'm just gonna sew this in while I dive into the tutorial. And I'm mostly gonna be fast forwarding because I didn't want the wig to be too long, and when it gets too long it becomes boring. So here I'm just trying to create my parts, and since I was trying to achieve a messy look, I did not really pay attention to making the line straight and all of that, so I just wanted the parts to be there. And and when looking at my net, you're going to see some small patches of afro hair. I just actually had some old afro hair in the house, so I just put some patches of it on my neck just because it's a natural look. And like I said, I was just trying to try something new. So I was just trying to try something new and see how it comes out. So I'll just let you guys watch, and I'll comment wherever it's necessary. Yeah, I'm trying to ventilate my net, and you guys don't judge me. This is my first time of actually ventilating my net, because I normally just buy the lace closure wig, the lace closure, and put on it. So I haven't done this before, but I'm happy I did this, and it turns out well. It turned out nice, even though it's not as perfect. So for this, what I'm doing here is, after I created my part, like after I created the part I want to use, I just put in the rubber band, and then I put in my crochet pin, and I crochet in the braid I'm using, and then I try to wrap the hair, the my hair, my was this word? I try to wrap the expression hair with the crochet braid, and then I sew them together. Well, that's just how I achieved the part I had. So I'm just gonna let you watch, just like in the video. I just wrap the expression hair with the crochet braid, try to undo the lower part of it a little bit, then I sew it in, and I'm sewing it in a particular way, trying to at least hide the threading so it doesn't really show that I actually sewed it in. You guys take note, this trick can only work with a messy hair. If your hair is smooth, it's not gonna work, it's gonna look rough. So I'm actually doing this because my hair is the braid I'm using is really messy, and it looks so, I just wanted it like that, and it looks natural. Well, like I said, I do not have any particular pattern in mind, so I was just looking at the hair and seeing how it goes, what I could add or what I could take out. To fill up this middle part, I decided to try something different. I just decided to be creative and to see how it turns out. So I just wrapped, I took three braids and I just wrapped like in the video, and I sewed it in. I thought of doing the same thing I did in front, but I just wanted, I felt like it was just gonna be the same old thing, so I just wanted something else. So I just put that, and like I took a braid, wrap it around, and then I sewed it in, and I realized it was actually nice. So I just decided to go on with that, just like you see in the video. Guys, don't forget to watch till the end, and don't forget to like my video and to subscribe to this channel, because I mean, if you didn't come here, you were not gonna see this trick. And trust me, I'm gonna be showing you guys lots of ideas and lots of things I can do with my hair. So don't forget to subscribe and watch till the end. See me actually focusing more on the front as compared to the back, because that's just how I do my wigs. I always try to fill up the front first before going to the back, so I kind of limit the amount of braids I put in, because I don't want, you see a lot of clients complain that their hair is too heavy. I don't want to put in so much and then the person starts feeling too much heat, or if the hair is too heavy. So I just try to reduce the amount of braids I put on my hair, on each hair. So I fill up the front, then I try to make the back a little bit scanty as compared to the front. So I always do the back last. And for this video guys, I used 6 packets of main concept butterfly locks. I actually bought 5 in black and 1 in what's this color, burgundy. just to make the wig a little bit more stylish. Well, right now I'm just trying to fill up the wig, trying to fill up the empty spaces. And I forgot to mention earlier, for the stocking cap, I did not actually crochet with this. I did not actually crochet in the hair on the stocking cap because I didn't want to rip it off. But to keep it in, I actually crocheted in some of the braids. I think I crocheted in about 6 braids on different parts of the hair. I crocheted in about 6 braids on the stocking cap just to keep it in so it's not loose inside. But if you don't use the stocking cap method, then you can, if you don't use this, oh my baby, if you don't use the stocking cap method, then you don't have to bother about all of this. Guys, this is actually a pretty easy tutorial that I could do in a day, but like a pretty easy hair to do in a day, but well, due to other commitments and distractions, I actually did this, and I wasn't in a haste, so I actually did this whenever I was free. So when I'm free, I just come and do it. So I'm sure you're gonna notice like different outfits. Guys, I'm almost done with the wig. You can see me pulling the braid a little bit because I'm just doing that so the braid can look messy, like can look a little rough and a little full and soft. The braid I actually ordered did not, what I actually wanted, it did not actually come as the same way I wanted it to look, so I just try to make it look similar to what I really wanted. So I'm just gonna be filling up the back of my wig, and we are done. And this is the final look. Just show you guys some ways to style this hair and look amazing. Well, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe. Have a nice day, and don't forget to watch till the end.